it's Katie and Gloria from Simply Earth, and we're so excited to tell you about our February recipe box. This month's theme is wellness, which is great because with my little one, I want to make sure we both stay healthy. If you haven't heard about the Simply Earth Essential Oil recipe box, let me tell you about it. Each month, shipped to your door, you'll get 4 full-size essential oils, 5 to 6 different recipes, plus all the things you need to make them, all for $39. Let's take a look at what's in this month's box. First up, we have Ravensara. This kid-friendly oil is great for the winter sniffles and clearing out those sinuses. After Ravensara, we have Defender. This oil blend is great for preventing sickness. Next, we have Lemon. I love this uplifting scent. It reminds me of a warm summer day. Lastly, we have Oregano. This strong smelling scent is great for cleaning and making sure your home is germ-free. Of our 6 different recipes, my favorite one is the Shower Disc Pick-Me-Up. This recipe is great for your morning showers and clearing up those nasal passages with those winter colds. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to sign up at simplyearth.com and become more well today. Also, as a note, at Simply Earth, we want to remind you that essential oils are not recommended for children under 2. Like Gloria, it'll make her sad.